Is Halo Campaign Evolved stuck on syncing data or showing the error can't sync data with cloud right now while launching through Xbox Game Pass on PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you several effective methods to fix Xbox Cloud Save synchronization issues so you can launch the game and continue playing without getting stuck on the syncing screen.